स्टूडेंट आज हम करने जा रहे हैं CS606 फाइनल टर्म प्रिपरेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 स्टार्ट करते हैं। डैश कन्वर्ट दी relocatable machine code into absolute machine code by linking library and relocatable object files. Correct answer is loader and link editor. Question number 2, parser take dash as input from lexical analyzer. Correct answer is token. Question number 3, the regular expression dash denotes the set of all strings of AS and BS of length 2. Correct answer is A and B and A and B. Question number 4, dash is a regular expression of all strings over the alphabet. A has an even number of AS. Correct answer is double A multiple. Question number 5, dash phase supports macro substitution and conditional compilation. Correct answer is pre-processing. Question number 5 is 6, in LLI parsing algorithm dash contain a sequence of grammar symbols. Correct answer is tag. Question number 7, consider the grammar A arrow B C D and B arrow H B C. Correct answer is H J G and I. Question number 8, dash parser never shift into an error state. Correct answer is LR. In a parser, the two LL stand for left to right scan of input and leftmost derivation. स्टूडेंट अगर मेरा चैनल आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें। अगर वीडियो की समझ आ रही है तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, डैश इज एलाबोरेटेड टू प्रोड्यूस बाइंडिंग्स. करेक्ट आंसर इज डिक्लेरेशन. Question number 11, our lexical analyzer generated by dash is essentially a FSA. Correct answer is lex. Question number 12, the action shift reduce in a SLR parser depend on a lookhead symbol dash. Correct answer is current input token. Question number 13, the following grammar contain a dash conflict S arrow A and XB. Correct answer is shift reduce. Question number 14, considers the following grammar S arrow B AB and A arrow E B arrow B. Correct answer is 4. Question number 15, simple generation consider an AST node at the time when the target is a stack machine. The code cannot be generated in one dash traversal of the AST. Correct answer is depth first. Question number 16, dash is a register allocation technique that always finds the minimal number of registers needed for a procedure. Correct answer is graph coloring. Question number 17, when generating code, the basic block level, the dependency graph must be converted to target code by identifying dash construction selection and instruction ordering can be performed efficiently in a single pass. Correct answer is ladder sequences. Question number 18, dash can be considered a small compiler since it transforms a source language assembly into a less abstract target language object code. Correct answer is lexical analyzer. Question number 19, when memory allocator operate on chunks which include some administrative part and a block of user data, the administrative part include dash flag for marking the chunk as a free or in use. Correct answer is 1. Question number 20, a parser transform a stream of token into an dash. Correct answer is AST. Question number 21, the parser generate YAC can handle dash grammar. Correct answer is LL1. Question number 22, simple code generation consider one AST node at a time. If the target is a register machine, the code can be generated in one dash traversal of AST, possibly introducing temporaries when running out of register. Correct answer is depth first. Question number 23, attributes whose values are defined in terms of a node on attribute, node siblings and node pattern are called dash. Correct answer is inherited attribute. स्टूडेंट अगर मेरी आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, अ लिंकर कंबाइन मल्टीपल ऑब्जेक्ट फाइल्स इनटू ए डैश एग्जीक्यूटेबल ऑब्जेक्ट. करेक्ट आंसर इज सिंगल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, द नोटेशन डैश इंस्ट्रक्शन YACC to push a computed attribute value on the stack. Correct answer is K1 is correct option. The following two items A arrow P.Q, B arrow P.Q can coexist in a and dash item set? Correct answer is LR. Question number 26. The following two item A arrow P dot Q and B arrow P dot Q can coexist in and dash item set. Correct answer is LR. Question number 27. When generating a lexical analyzer from a dash description, the item sets are constructed by two types of moves, character moves and moves. Correct answer is token. Question number 28. Hybrid IRS combined elements of dash. Correct answer is both graphical and linear IRS. Xi is equal to y. This is correct answer is index assignment. Question number 30. A lexical analyzer generator automatically construct a dash that recognize token. Correct answer is FA. Question number 31. If X relog Y go to L, above statement is dash. Correct answer is conditional jump. Question number 32. In a CFG context-free grammar, the set of terminal and non-terminal symbol must be dash. Correct answer is disjoint. Question number 33. Why ACC contain built-in support for handling ambiguous grammar resulting in dash conflict? Correct answer is shift reduce. The dash translation statement can be conveniently specified in YACC. Correct answer is syntax directed. Question number 35. When constructing LR1 parser, we record for each item exactly in which context it appears, which resolve many conflict present in dash parser based on flow sets. Correct answer is SLR1. Question number 36. Code generation module has to tackle. Correct answer is instruction scheduling. Question number 37. For convenience, lexical analyzer should read the complete dash program into memory. Correct answer is input. Question number 38. Considering the following grammar S arrow AX and A arrow ABX, the grammar contain a dash conflict. Correct answer is reduce. Question number 39. The order in which the DAG is transferred can lead to dash code. Correct answer is better. Question number 40. Register allocation problem uses the strategy of dash. Correct answer is graph coloring. स्टूडेंट अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें.